Good morning, children. Today we will do Monkey Trouble. This story has been written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond was born in India, and at the age of only 17 years, he wrote his first book. Okay, children? He is a famous writer. Let's read what he has written in Monkey Trouble. First of all, before starting the lesson, I want to tell you one thing, that any animal or bird have some particular qualities. Like if we talk about tiger, the fast runner, we can say about him. Or cheetah, the fast runner also. Again, lion, the king. These type of qualities we can say about birds and animals. Here are some birds or animals given, and some qualities are given in the box. You have to match these or write these qualities in the given box, given blanks. Dove. Dove is gentle because it is the sign of peace. Dog. Faithful. Fox. Cunning. Parrot. Talkative. Monkey. Mischievous. That's why we compare a child with a monkey. Because child is naughty and monkey is naughty. Child is mischievous, monkey is mischievous. Second is, why do you think street entertainers prefer monkeys to other household pets like cats and dogs? The only reason of it is monkeys are mischievous. So they entertain us much, and this is the reason street entertainers prefer monkeys, not the cats and the dogs. Today, I will give you a short summary of this lesson only. This is a long lesson, long story. I will give you only the short summary. Okay, children? This is the story of a boy who is the narrator of this story and who lives in a joint family. He has a grandfather and a grandmother, and his grandfather has the passion for keeping unusual animals as pet. Okay? One day, grandfather bought a girl monkey, means female monkey, whose name was Tutu, from a street entertainer for the sum of 10 rupees. The street entertainer had 3 monkeys, and Tutu was the smallest of all these monkeys and very mischievous also. Okay? But one problem was there, that the grandmother did not want to keep her at home. But when she got to know that she was a girl monkey, she convinced to keep Tutu at home. Why? Because the grandmother had the false notion that girls were less mischievous than boys. Okay? That's why the grandmother convinced to keep Tutu at home. And the narrator, means the boy, had an aunt also whose name was Aunt Ruby. Here is this picture. He had an Aunt Ruby, and who wanted to marry with Rocky Fernandez, who was a school teacher. And one day, what happened, children? She went with her fiancé to purchase her engagement ring. But she had refused her nephew to take market. So the boy, means her nephew, followed her silently, and the monkey followed him too at the jeweler shop. The monkey picked up a necklace, a pearl necklace, and wore it on his neck and then ran out to the market. The jeweler and many others ran after her. Finally, she threw the necklace in a canal and ran away. Then what happened? Jeweler jumped into the canal, Rocky jumped into the canal, and many people jumped into the canal to search the necklace. But finally, Rocky got the necklace and gave that necklace to the jeweler. And then on the eve of wedding, when grandmother was making the cake, Tutu added some spices like chili sauce, red chili sauce, eggshells, green gourds, seeds, etc. Like this type of spices, this type of strange spices, Tutu added in the wedding cake. And what happened? Many guests did not come many days after wedding. But no one knew that what happened. It means, children, you can say that this story is about the mischievous acts of the monkey Tutu. That's why the story is very much well titled Monkey Trouble. Okay, this is the story by Ruskin Bond, and many difficult words are given below every page. You can go through these words and learn these words by writing it in your copy. Hope you understood and like this video, children. Subscribe, like and comment on it, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you.